Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another let's try video. Zmile Cosmetics. As you know, I got an advent calendar from Zmile, and these pots are okay. The blue one was nice. This one I'm a bit scared for, so they don't have any names, so I would say this is the purple golden quad. I don't know. I've swatched them and they are not that great. Granted, the first time I tried this brand, the swatches weren't great either, so the result was nice. So maybe this works. We'll see. I'll give you the swatches and then I'll try to do something. I think I'm going to use these two, this eye, and then these two on this eye. Because, I mean, they don't really work that great together to do one eye look, so I'm just going to do two. This one is the worst one. This is the golden one. I don't like this at all. Yeah. It's non-existent. It's basically just glitter. Okay, the pink one right next to it. That's actually okay. The darkest. That's nice, also very powdery. And then this one here. They are so goddamn powdery. I don't know why, but all of them are. Like, every one that I test so far is powdery. Okay, so let me zoom you in, and then we get going with the video. I think I'm gonna use a bit of water to activate this. Got this here. It's a setting spray, but I filled up with water because it's been empty for a while. Then I'm gonna use the golden shade, which is picking up nicely on my brush. I mean, I have to go in a few times, but okay. So let me spray it. Okay. I just want to put that all over the eyelid. Ready? Yeah, that's not working. This is not working. Okay. Let me try to use my finger. Oh, now we're talking. Okay. Okay. Again. Oh my god. I don't like this shade at all. My god. Like, I'm really hurting my finger here. Like, I'm pressing so hard. Okay. Maybe one more time. Yeah, the fallout of this is kind of ridiculous, and it's not really staying on my lid. I feel like the more I touch it, the more it just crumbles. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna use, like I said, the pink one right next to it. Ooh, okay. The pink looks quite nice as well. Oh my god, that looks pigmented. Oh my goodness. Ready? Alright, this is you know, I actually want to say this is disappointing, but you can actually tell there's color on. So that's good. Should have done that first, I guess. Oh, this is nice. I like that one. It's not the most pigmented, but you know, if you're only in for a nice subtle pinkish tone, oh my god, I don't know what I'm talking about. But I think you get the deal, you know, it's not like, what was the most pigmented product I ever used? I don't know. It's not like ABH, for example, right? But it does the job. I actually like this. This color is nice. Blending it out. I will blend in with some like white shadow anyways, but okay. This is okay. I'm going back in with the golden, which, full disclaimer, when I first swatched the golden shade, it already felt really hot in the pan, you know? Like, straight up chalk. Yeah, I think this is the most I can do. Because I don't want to touch it too much. It's okay, it's okay. I will get rid of the golden shade because I don't really like it. It's a pain in the butt to work with. So just let me clean it up. Strangely, there's more pink fallout than golden fallout. Okay. So basically like this, and then let me blend it in. These are, you know, shades or eyeshadows where you're just too scared to touch them because you feel like they're gonna fade away. I don't really like the golden one. I will get rid of the golden one. So, already a spoiler for my pan palette video. I have one shadow less because I just can't deal with this. Anyway, I'm gonna do this eye now, and I'm gonna use. Oh my god! Look at that crumbly mess. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna use this all over the eyelid. Okay. At least you see this with a brush, like applied with a brush, so that's good. So crumbly, oh my god. Okay, ready? Oh my god, that was too much. But that is a nice shade, oh my god. Reminds me of One Fresco from EVH, just like with the shimmer. The One Fresco one doesn't have shimmer. This is nice. This is a nice color. I'll just use the same brush because I'm lazy. I'm just going to use the dark shade. Now just go in my crease and blend it in. Oh, you know what? I like that. This one I like. This could be much, much worse. Now, of course, the fallout is extreme with this. Oh my god. But those shades are nice. Actually, I like them. I'm just going to quickly blend these shades in as well. You know what? I'm going to use the darkest shade on my lower lash line. And blend out. I actually like that one. So let me just quickly do concealer and a bit of mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love this eye look. I love like purple burgundy colors. Beautiful. This is okay. I don't like the golden shade, and I will get rid of that. Basically, once the video is finished, I want to show you the fallout. How am I supposed to do this? Hold on. It's not really fallout, it's basically the kick back in the pan. But you get what I mean. You see this? This is insane. Whoa. Something already fell out. So let me tap it off and see how much I've actually lost there. I mean, there's a huge chunk missing here. Strange. So, this would be such a nice look if this was pigmented, my god. But I like the pink. I will keep the pink. I will get rid of the golden one. But this one I like. So, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm kind of sad that my swatches actually already told me how bad this squat would be. Like I said, I will link the blue video here, obviously. The blue swatches were horrible as well, but they actually performed nicely on the lid. This just wasn't. So I have another quad left. It's like a greenish purple again. Yeah, I will do that next month, maybe, or the month after. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Which eye do you like more? I love this one. This is okay, but love this one. And yeah, let me know if you tried anything by Zmile. The lip products are horrible, by the way. The shadows are kind of okay, but the lip products are just no. So anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hello.